I'm gonna put Air Canada on blast, but I get delayed 5 hours with Air Canada. The first thing I'm doing as a consumer is going on Twitter and being like, "This is the worst airline in the world." You get them in their moment of extreme happiness and extreme pissed offness, right? Their extreme anger, which obviously with that is a grain of salt. But when we're talking about inclusivity, you do get like a really raw look into how people are talking about your brand. If you're trying to include certain demographics that have been excluded historically and you want to change that, then what are your competitors doing? Where are they going that isn't yours? All of these you can get the answers to quickly using social listening tools. And then that can at least help guide your next steps and your strategies for like whatever you want to do next, like talk to them, etc.
Yeah. When when you're going through those the social listening data or cultural listening data, what are the key metrics that stand out? Like,